Hi, Bari Saxophones. Welcome back. Today, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 6. And today is an accent on performance page. Today, we're doing the song March Onward, a piece composed by our book's composers. So this piece, rather than playing it from the very beginning all the way down to the very end, we're going to break it into small sections so that you could have a better chance to practice those sections on your own if you need to. The first section that we'll play is the first line of the song, or the introduction. This song is in 2/4 time, so we're going to be counting 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. It also uses our F sharp fingering at the beginning of the song. That'll change middle of the page, but at the beginning it's F sharp. And it has our syncopation pattern, short, long, short, eighth, quarter, eighth. And we use it quite frequently, especially in this introduction. The tempo is allegro. Today, I've got my metronome set at 100 beats per minute. That's a little bit slower than allegro, but it'll give us a nice speed so that we can make some progress on this new piece. 1, 2, introduction. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, go. The next section is from measure 9 to measure 29. This section has a first ending and a second ending, so be sure to take the first ending, repeat back to measure 9, and then take the second ending instead of the first the second time. Remember that all Fs are still F sharp. 1, 2, 9, go. Nine. Did you remember to take the second ending? If not, rewind back and try that segment one more time. It's important to remember the second ending so that you're at the same place in the music as everyone else in the band. Our next section is from 29 to 45. 29 and 37 each have 4 measure, multiple measure rests. We'll count them like this: 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. We're counting in groups of 2 because we're in 2/4 time. 1, ready, go, and 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, play. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, play. Now, at measure 45, something changes. Remember I said we had an F sharp in our key signature? Well, in measure 45, that F sharp becomes F natural, first finger, as indicated by the end of measure 44, that key change that shows that natural on the F line. So, let's play 2 lines of music. Starting at measure 45, let's play up to measure 61. The rhythms here are very simple. They're all on the beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Don't let those eighth notes and eighth rests fool you. They're just on the beat notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 45, play. Now hold on a second. Mr. H, you told me that all Fs were natural, but in measure 57 and 58, I saw the sharp sign. Well, that's right. In measure 57 and measure 58, those three notes F are F sharp. The composer needed that F sharp note for the music, so he allowed it to happen for three notes in measure 57 and 58. In measure 48, that F was F natural first finger. If you made some mistakes, rewind and do that section one more time. Let's continue on and let's play two more lines of music from 61 to 77 using our syncopation pattern, ti-ta, ti-ta, short, long, 61, 2, and 1, 2, ready, go. And those last two eighth notes actually are pickup notes to measure 77. Let's go from 77 to the end. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. And that is March Onward, our accent on performance piece. Now, go back to the sections you need to for more help. But go back to the very beginning and play all the way to the end when you've mastered all the sections. Use a metronome and set it at a nice, even tempo. Try 100 to start, but if you've mastered the song, try allegro, or 120 beats per minute. It's a little bit faster, but it is the tempo that the piece is designed for. So, until I see you next time, keep practicing.